I have been in the trenches of the HVAC world for 17 years. Before that, I was pulling wire as a nuclear power electrician. When you spend that much time around high voltage gear and complex cooling systems, you stop looking at the shiny brochures. You start looking at how these units are actually built. Today, we are putting two ducted split air conditioners head to head, the American Standard Silver 15 and the Fujitsu FOC14. Both of these fall into the basic category, but in the field, basic doesn't mean they are built the same. The first thing I check on any job site is how well the coil is protected. If a hailstorm or a stray weed whacker hits that coil, your efficiency goes out the window. The American Standard Silver 15 is built like a tank with a full louvered coil cabinet. That's a solid piece of steel protecting the guts of the machine. The Fujitsu FOC14 also uses louvered panels, specifically curved ones designed to add rigidity. From a protection standpoint, both of these units are a step above the cheap WireGuard models you see cluttering up new housing developments. Now, let's talk about the heart of the system, the compressor and its electrical impact. The American Standard Silver 15 hits a SEER 2 rating of 15.0 and uses a single-stage compressor. The Fujitsu FOC14 hits a similar efficiency with a 14.3 SEER 2 rating and also runs a single-stage scroll compressor. But the American Standard is squeezing slightly more cooling out of every watt you pay for. When we look at the numbers hitting your wallet, the American Standard Silver 15 condenser typically retails for about $20,400 to $4,000. The Fujitsu FOC14 is often the more budget-friendly contender, with the equipment found for as low as $1,100 to $2,500. You're looking at a significant price gap, but you have to ask yourself what that extra cash is buying you in the long run. Before we get to the verdict, remember that even the best unit is a paperweight if you don't maintain it. Keep your filters clean and clear the debris away from the outdoor unit. The warranty battle reveals the true confidence a manufacturer has in their product. American Standard offers a 10-year limited warranty on the compressor and parts, but they don't offer a unit replacement warranty on this specific silver model. Fujitsu matches that with a 10-year limited warranty on the compressor and parts, but also lacks a unit replacement provision. It's a dead heat on paper, but keep in mind that the American Standard is manufactured in the USA, whereas the Fujitsu unit is built in Mexico. The verdict is clear. The American Standard Silver 15 is the winner. While the Fujitsu has a lower upfront price and solid louvered protection, the American Standard wins on long-term value and efficiency. That extra bit of SEER 2 performance, combined with the proven durability of the spine fin coil and duration compressor, means lower monthly bills and fewer service calls over the next 15 years. When you're a homeowner looking at the bottom line, you want the unit that's built to survive the real world. Shop like a pro and use the head-to-head tool on HVAC4beginners.com.